Hey Gamers, today I'm back with another video and I'm here to talk about the Rare and Diamond Nature Archways. So I have this friend named Super Sally C, and she's pretty upset about these. I gotta admit, I'm pretty upset about them too, but I want to know what you guys think. Whoever comments down below and comes up with the best reason for them to either be in Animal Jam or not be in Animal Jam gets a gets a royal tiara, a yellow royal tiara. I know, pretty snazzy, right? No. Wait. Gotta check. I probably don't, but I might have one in my double-tailed cats. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna close my door. Alright, so I am back, and I'd like to know what you guys think about these Rare and Diamond Nature Archways. Do you think they're gonna come out in the diamond shop soon? Like, what's gonna happen? Wait, they might actually be in the diamond shop. I'll be right back. So, let's go to the diamond shop. I don't know why I said be right back, by the way. I said be right back to them, but I said be right back to myself as well. So click on the items. Yeah, I don't see a nature archway, which is really weird, I guess. Because everyone's all like, oh my gosh, nature archways are coming into the diamond shop. Oh, they're gonna lose their rarity. They're probably gonna be for like 2 diamonds. Well, I'm honestly not sure. I feel like they are going to come into the diamond shop, but they might not like become less rare. What I'm saying is they might keep their rarity because this is a diamond one. There's a diamond one, but also there's just the normal rare one. Yes, cancel the trade. Sorry. But, I don't think their rarity is going to change because there's a rare and diamond one, but there's also just still the rare one. Like, the rarity of the actual magenta spike collar didn't change, even though the diamond ones came into shops. The rarity of, the one that the Shop King has whatever. The rarity of the one that the Shop King has isn't really as different from, well, I mean, it's actually really different. It's actually really different from, wait, what was that thing? Okay, the one that the Shop King has is actually so much different from the one in the diamond shop today. Even though they look exactly the same, they're completely different on rarity. Someone could trade 3 light pink headdresses, for the, magenta short spike collar. It could be a completely different rarity. But that doesn't mean anything. Like, I'm making no sense right now, I know. But, it means something actually. If the rare magenta short spike collar is rare and the other one is diamond, that means the rare one is so much rarer and it won't change its rarity unless Animal Jam, like, deletes them completely from the game. They still would have been really rare even if they do. And Animal Jam, please don't delete them if you're watching this. But anyways, I'm just kind of explaining what I think. Like the Magenta Rare long spike collar is, it might even be less rare than the short spike collar because there's less short spike collars of the magenta that are rare. Like 3% of the Animal Jam community. No wait, 1% basically of the Animal Jam community has a rare short magenta spike collar. And about 90% of the Animal Jam community has a diamond magenta spike collar and a diamond magenta spike wrist. I honestly don't like the magenta spike collar and wrist, the diamond ones, because they make the Shop King look bad for having a rare one. Like, for example, it's online. See, he has the rare spike collar, and he also has these two. But that doesn't change the rarity of the rare one. Like, the rarity could be completely unrare of the diamond. But even if it is very unrare, that won't change the rarity of the rare magenta spike collar. So basically, what I'm saying is, even if the rarity does go down, just like a minor little bit, it won't be that bad for the rare and diamond nature archways, because the rare and diamond nature archways may not be good items, but they'd still actually be good if they're nature archways, because nature archways are like a good, very, like, uncommon item. And Animal Jam, I know this for a fact, wouldn't take away the rarity of that item. They'd most likely just, take the rarity down just a little bit, instead of just, getting rid of the whole entire rarity itself. So, someone could have 12 rare and diamond nature archways, and another person could have, for example, 2 actual rare nature archways, and that'd be a less amount, but still, even if it's a less amount, that wouldn't mean anything, because it wouldn't mean anything because, hold on, I just lost my train of thought. It wouldn't mean anything because the rarity of the two. The rarity of the two, so anyways, the rarity of the two rare, so basically the rarity of the two rare, not diamond, nature archways would be still rarer than the 12 rare and diamond nature archways. If you guys didn't get what I'm meaning in this, like, 11 minutes of nonsense and losing my train of thought. But anyways, yeah, I was just, like, expressing how I'm feeling about these magenta spikes and rare and diamond nature archways. And like I said at the beginning of this video, if you comment your reason, your username, and if you're on mine tomorrow, like if you think they should or shouldn't, like, be an animal jam, and what I mean is the diamond magenta spike collar, as well as the rare and diamond nature archway. If you think they shouldn't, give your reason, and if you think they should, give your reason, and you can win this yellow royal tiara, which I have 2 of, which is why I'm giving it away. I have 2 of them. So yeah. And yeah. Anyways, that's my opinion on the magenta spike collar, and as well as the rare and diamond nature archways. So if you liked this video, make sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. And I know this is the 4th video of today, but I don't know, I felt like making another, because I feel like I should have expressed my feelings, since everyone is doing that. They're expressing their feelings on the spikes and archways. So yeah, and yeah. Thanks for watching, and bye.